So in this problem, we have lines KL and BC, and they are going to intersect at P. So we need to draw that. The easiest way to draw two lines intersecting is to basically draw an X. All right? We label this first line as KL. Notice K and L are on the same line. And we'll label the other one B, and we'll label a point C. And the lines have to intersect at P. So we'll label the intersection point P. Then the problem goes on to tell us if the measure of angle BPL, which I will put one swoosh on right here, is 30 more than 4 times the measure of angle LPC, we want to find the measure of angle BPK. So the first thing we need to do is translate 30 more than 4 times something. And if we call the something x, to translate 30 more than 4 times x, we can write 4x plus 30. Notice that the measure of angle LPC comes at the end of that sentence, and that is x. So I'm going to put that in on the angle LPC. Now, we should use 2 swooshes on that angle because that angle is not equal to angle BPL. That angle is supplementary to angle BPL because, if you notice, they form a line together. Those angles are supplementary, and because they actually physically form a line, they are called a linear pair. Since we have a linear pair of angles which are supplementary, we can take the 2 expressions for those angles and add them, and we need to get 180 degrees. So now it becomes an algebra problem. We will combine our like terms. We will have 5x plus 30 equals 180. Subtract 30 on both sides. We have 5x equals 150. Divide by 5, and x is 30. However, we have to make sure that we answer the question. And if you have trouble with figuring out what the question is, always highlight or underline the word find. Whoops. Okay? We want to find the measure of angle BPK. And if we notice, BPK is vertical with our green double swooshed angle. So I will put 2 swooshes there. And it so happens that in this case, x is 30 degrees. So is the unknown angle, because they are vertical angles. And so our final answer in this problem happens to be 30 degrees. But it doesn't always work out that way. So you always have to make sure that you go back and you make sure that you look at the picture again and make sure that you understand which angle is equal to which one.